ready to go. This is the first day of my long trip to the Balkans and Central Europe. So I've packed everything. I have 2 bags, small and medium-sized bags, a top box with all my cables, a tank bag with my camera and the drone, and that's it. I do a first stop in break to load the bike, up to the Simplon pass, down to Stresa, and then we'll arrive in Milano late afternoon or something like this. I'm very excited. Let's go.
I'm leaving this beautiful Lavaux region and approaching Montreux, already past Baveno, and I think after Montreux I will take a bit of a highway because I know the road and well, it's not super interesting if you go straight from Montreux to Chillon or even break. Taking the highway will save me a bit of time. Okay, let's take the highway. So they say free charging around here. Let's have a look. Is it this one? I think it is. There we go. I've charged up to 94%, which should be enough. And anyway, if I need to load again, I can do it just before Stresa. Well, the nice thing about this stop is I had some time to clean my helmet, change my clothes, because we are heading to Italy and it will be warm very quickly. It's already much warmer than this morning, so I'm glad I have this summer jacket with me. Okay, let's go to the Simplon Pass. It's only 16 minutes from here. It'll be quick. arriving to the Simplon Pass. Italia! Benvenuti! Okay, another 40 minutes and I will be reaching Stresa. Hey, stay on your side, you. The Ghana. The station in Merguzo was only loading at 7 kilowatts. I mean, it's way too slow, so I decided not to, to move on. I decided to move on and apparently there is another station here, should be better. So where is that station? Ouais, je crois que c'est ça. Et il y a un mec devant. He's using like 2 cables? No. Okay, we have an issue. I need another charging point. Okay, so the good news is I just found this Tesla destination charger. It's actually the parking of a hotel upstairs, but the entrance is free and it works. Charging at 10 kilowatt. Not sure why it's not 11, but 10 kilowatt is a good speed. Great. Find a small restaurant somewhere I can park and see the bike at the same time. Welcome to Stresa. I think I will do it the Italian way, if you see what I mean.